Hi friends, I'm your well-wisher KS Chaudhary. Please subscribe my channel and comments also. Please do. And like also. Here we'll talk about when. When means कब. When do you return my money? मेरे पैसे कब लौटाओगे? When do you do subscribe my channel? कब करोगे? When do you get up? कब उठते हो? When do you get up? Right? Yes. When do you take breakfast? Breakfast कब लेते हो? You take breakfast 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. When do you take breakfast? Right? When will you come? When you will come today, you will come tomorrow, you will come day after tomorrow. कब आओगे? In this way you can speak now. When will she go there? कब वहां जाएगी वो कब वहां जाएगा? When he will go there? कब गाना गाओगे? When will you sing a song? Right? कब अपना ये काम स्टार्ट करोगे? When will you start your work? Right? When has Ramesh come? रमेश कब आया? At my home. कब आया मेरे घर पे रमेश? At my home. बोल सकते हैं at my home डायरेक्टली. When did you call me? कब फोन किया आपने? When did you call me? When did you make build this house? कब बनाया आपने? बोल सकते हैं आप. When can they return money? कब वो पैसे लौटा सकते हैं? When can she complete this work? कब वो अपना ये काम कंप्लीट कर सकती है? Right? Let me see few example. कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming? So in this way you can speak now. When are you coming? When are you coming? You are coming. When are you coming? In this way. Okay. When is she coming? When is he coming? Right? So in this way, when are you giving party? कब party दे रहे हो आप? So in this way you can say when are you giving party? When are you giving party? In this way, right? Yes. When do you go to school? When do you go to office? कब ऑफिस जाते हैं आप? तो बोल सकते हैं when do you go to office? Right? आप लंच कब लेते हैं? When do you take lunch? When do you take breakfast? Breakfast. We can say that. When do you take breakfast? When do you take breakfast? When do you take breakfast? When do you sleep? You sleep 11 o'clock, you sleep 12 o'clock. पूछ सकते हैं आप कब सोते हैं आप? When do you sleep? Right? Yes. तुमने कब लौटाया मेरा पैसा? कब लौटाया? When? When have you returned returned my money? कब तुमने ढंग से बात की? कब तुमने ढंग से बात की? When did you talk properly? When did you talk properly? When did you talk properly? Right? Yes. और कब तुम ढंग से बात करते हो? When do you talk properly? In this way you can say, right? When do you talk properly? When do you talk properly, right? कब ढंग से बात की, when did you talk properly, और कब ढंग से बात करते हो, when do you talk properly. आप कभी ढंग से बात नहीं करते, you never talk properly. तो in this way, कब गाड़ी ठीक से चलाते हो, when do you drive properly. कब कमाना स्टार्ट करोगे, when will you start to earn money, when will you start to earn money, when will you start to earn money, right? शादी कब करोगे, शादी करोगे, when will you get married, when will you get married, right? It is very nice. खाना कब खाओगे, when will you take food, खाना कब खाओगे, when will you take या eat food. It is very nice topic. कब तक वो वहां पहुंच जाएगा, when, okay, he will reach there, till then. It is nice. It is very nice topic. कब तक वीडियो बनाओगे, when will you make video, कब तक नहीं बोलोगे, when will you not talk, okay, yeah, कब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करोगे, when will you not subscribe, when will you not like, one day you will do and you will present comments, right? In this way, कब पार्टी दिया आपने, when you have given party, when have you given party, have you given party. कब मेरी बात सुनी है, when you have listened my talk, when you have listened my talk, right? Yes, we can say that. So in this way, when she is coming, when she is going, when she is teaching, when she is, when is she, in return we will use coming. When she is, when he is, when he is going. कब आ रहा है, कब जा रहा है, I don't know about it, right? Yes. When will you succeed in your life? Surely I will succeed. Yeah, in this month I will succeed. When you will succeed, when you will like my video, when will you share my video, when will you subscribe my channel, you will do. Yeah, my nice viewers, you are, I love you too much. ओके, इन दिस वे, वैन यानी कब का जब प्रयोग करना हो आपको, तो वैन का यूज करना है. वैन विल यू स्टार्ट टू अर्न मनी, कब कमाना प्रारंभ करोगे, तो ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, राइट? या वैन विल यू गेट मैरिड, कब करोगे. इट इज वेरी नाइस टॉपिक. या ओके, ओके, थैंक्स. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. ओके, बाय.